Welcome to our YouTube channel. We're excited to have you here today as we embark on an extraordinary journey exploring the Coros Apex 2 Black. In this video, we'll provide you with an immersive experience, starting with the unboxing of this remarkable timepiece and diving into its impressive features, specifications, and all the reasons why it's a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts and fitness enthusiasts alike. To begin, let's unwrap the anticipation and open the box of the Coros Apex 2 Black. As the lid is lifted, we're greeted with a sense of elegance and sophistication. The box itself is a testament to the attention to detail that Coros puts into their products. With its sleek design and premium feel, it sets the stage for what lies within. Meanwhile, while watching this part of the video, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. With the box open, let's take a closer look at the Coros Apex 2 Black itself. The first thing that catches the eye is the titanium bezel with Class 5 PVD coating. This not only enhances the watch's durability but also adds a touch of luxury to its overall aesthetic. The bezel seamlessly blends with the sapphire crystal glass, providing exceptional protection against scratches and ensuring crystal clear visibility. Now, let's talk about the display. The Coros Apex 2 Black features a vibrant 1.3-inch, 3.3 centimeters color touchscreen display that captivates the senses. The clarity and sharpness of the visuals are truly impressive, making it effortless to navigate through the watch's various features and menus. One of the standout features of the Coros Apex 2 Black is its exceptional battery life. In full GPS mode, it can last up to an incredible 75 hours. Even with all the satellite systems enabled, you can still enjoy up to 45 hours of continuous use. And with the revolutionary dual-frequency satellite communication, a technology previously exclusive to aviation products, you can experience faster and more reliable signal reception than ever before. When it comes to satellite connectivity, the Coros Apex 2 Black leaves no stone unturned. It supports connection with the 5 main satellite systems: GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, QZSS, and Beidou, all at the same time. This means you can count on unparalleled accuracy and precision no matter where your adventures take you. For those who love exploring off the beaten path, the Coros Apex 2 Black has you covered with its offline world map. Featuring landscape and topo modes, this comprehensive map allows you to navigate even without an internet connection. Whether you're trekking through dense forests or climbing challenging mountains, you can rely on the Coros Apex 2 Black to guide you every step of the way. Beyond its navigational capabilities, the Coros Apex 2 Black boasts an impressive array of health and fitness features. It includes an ECG function that enables you to measure your variable heart rate (HVR), providing you with valuable insights into your cardiovascular health. The watch also incorporates a range of sensors, including a barometric altimeter, 3-axis compass, gyroscope, thermometer, and an optical pulse oximeter. With these features at your disposal, you can optimize your performance and take your fitness journey to new heights. Navigating through the watch's various functions is a breeze thanks to the innovative digital knob button. This unique feature allows for quick and effortless navigation, whether you're accessing different menus, pausing an activity, or moving on to the next one. The digital knob enhances the user experience, making the Coros Apex 2 Black a pleasure to use on a daily basis. Connectivity is a vital aspect of any modern smartwatch, and the Coros Apex 2 Black excels in this area. With wireless connections via Bluetooth registered 5 and Wi-Fi registered, you can seamlessly pair your watch with other devices and enjoy the convenience of wireless data transfer and updates. But that's not all. The Coros Apex 2 Black is more than just a timepiece. It offers music control, allowing you to enjoy your favorite tunes directly from your wrist, no matter where your adventures take you. Additionally, it provides camera control compatibility with popular action cameras such as Insta360 and GoPro. Capture those epic moments without fumbling for your camera or smartphone. Durability is a crucial factor for any outdoor watch, and the Coros Apex 2 Black doesn't disappoint. With a water resistance rating of 5 atm, 50 meters, it can withstand splashes, showers, and even swimming sessions, making it the perfect companion for water-based activities. In terms of design, the Coros Apex 2 Black strikes the perfect balance between ruggedness and sophistication. With a size of 46.1 millimeters and a weight of 66 grams, it sits comfortably on your wrist, making it suitable for everyday wear. The sleek black color adds a touch of elegance, while the attention to detail ensures it's a head-turner in any setting. To summarize, the Coros Apex 2 Black is an exceptional timepiece that combines style, functionality, and durability. With its titanium bezel, sapphire crystal glass, long battery life, extensive satellite connectivity, offline maps, advanced health tracking features, and seamless navigation, it stands out as a true contender in the smartwatch market. Thank you for joining us on this exciting adventure of unboxing and exploring the Coros Apex 2 Black. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the watch's capabilities and features. If you found this content informative and enjoyable, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our future videos. We appreciate your support, and we look forward to having you join us on our next exploration. Until then, thank you, and we can't wait to see you again soon.